Well, you have witnessed the mudslinging over the last few months on several issues, but where does each party stand on specific issues? Starting today, we are bringing you a debate, a first of its kind on national television that will give the viewer an opportunity to make an informed choice ahead of 2014. The first episode on the national election debate goes on air today.
The most trusted channel for election coverage. The one channel India turns to for politics.
Thank you very much. Hello and welcome to the first of our national election debates. This is an initiative here at Times Now which we hope we will continue right up to the general elections, up to voting, and hopefully the debates we have here will have a direct impact on the way people vote and the way people think.
And Times Now is the first to begin the poll coverage ahead of 2014 general elections, with part one of the national election debate airing this weekend.
Thank you for participating today.
Actual political match fixing is going on here when you don't want the systemic faults to come out. Let's plug those systemic faults. That is the root cause of the present day corruption, and that is important.
We use the word dishonest. Now, let's say, be very clear. Are you saying that Mr. Anand Sharma and the cabinet he represents was deliberately dishonest? Because what he's saying is...
I'm not saying
no, one second. His argument is that corruption happened because there were no systems.
There's never been a scam.
No.
There's never been any allegation. No, you may say so. You may say every decision is a scam.
Came in the public domain after UPA 2 got elected.
Public domain is different.
The public never had an opportunity.
Listen.
Over the next 2 months, starting this week, Times Now will begin its broadcast of the 6-part debate series on issues of national importance, a 90-minute debate on specific issues concerning the Indian polity. 6 focused discussions leading to the general elections of 2014, and the buzz is eclectic.
And is corruption a principal issue in this election or not? Will it decide the way you vote?
National debates of this nature bring out the best about our democracy. They are controversial.
Welcome this initiative of Times Now and the editorial team led by Arnab Goswami for such a program, for an opportunity to actually interact with the youngsters who will be a part of the audience today.
Any debate on any important issue like communalism or corruption is an important debate for the people of India to decide to which party to vote for.
There are more to answer for.
As promised, Times Now national election debate is high on interactivity. Not just the big regional parties, the channel's loyal viewers also part of the exercise to get you the answers to questions you wanted asked.
I'm once again going to go back to the audience. I'm going to go back.
You would come to the government in 2014 Lok Sabha elections. The thing is, with corruption, let's just compare it for a second with the knowledge of terrorism.
As a citizen of India, I want to ask why our Honorable Prime Minister is not accountable.
This week's 3-way debate looks at corruption and the game plan of India's top national parties in tackling graft.
Show of hands, the debate right now is poised like this. The subject is, if corruption is the #1 issue, is the Congress on the back foot? How many of you still feel is the Congress which is on the back foot and not any of the other parties? How many of you feel Congress on the back foot? Slightly fewer. Should the debate be on corruption?
So don't miss part 1 of the national election debate on corruption.